forward on right diagonal stepping, right, left, right. Shuffle forward on left diagonal stepping, left, right, left. Rock forward on right. Recover weight on left, making half turn right. Now facing 6 o'clock, shuffle forward, stepping right, left, right. And facing 6 o'clock. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Touch left to left side, cross left over right. Touch right to right side, cross right over left. Rock forward on left. Recover weight on right, making half turn left. Now facing 12 o'clock. Shuffle forward, stepping left, right, left. And facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rock right to right side. Recover weight on left, making quarter turn left. Now facing 9 o'clock. Cross shuffle, stepping right, left, right. Rock forward on left. Recover weight on right. Rock back on left. Recover weight on right. And facing 9 o'clock. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock forward on left. Recover weight on right. Shuffle back, stepping left, right, left. Rock back on right. Recover weight on left, making half turn left. Now facing 3 o'clock, step back on right, making another half turn left. Now facing 9 o'clock, step down on left. And facing 9 o'clock. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4,